It's your girl Shay Ross for M4 Magazine, and we are here live at the Tune Enterprise Productions, Tune in the City Plug and Play Industry Mixer, and I currently have on the red carpet with me
Kiana Nicole.
Kiana Nicole in the ATL, and she is a music artist. Tell us a little bit about yourself.
Well, I am a 23-year-old R&B artist from Atlanta, Georgia, and I kind of want to bring a new kind of wave on the scene with the high notes and all that. So
A little
something
Mariah
different.
Carey.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what brings you here tonight?
Tonight I will be performing and also networking.
Okay, and how long have you been in the industry?
In the industry professionally, I've been for about 2 years. That means like vocal coaching and everything. I haven't been in the industry long, but I've been singing since I was probably like 3 years old. So
Okay.
been doing it since T-little.
Okay, so tell me, to have a platform like this, which will help artists grow, give you information, allow you to mix and mingle with people, how important is that to you as a new artist?
It's very important because you definitely want people to know who you are, so you have to put yourself out there and everything. So it's definitely important to people, give people social networks, all that, let them know what project's coming out because that's how they know who you are. So, yeah.
Okay.
Very important.
Okay, awesome. So, in you mentioning, you want social networks and all that type of stuff to be known, tell us where we can find you.
Yes, ma'am, most definitely. You can find me on Instagram at Kiana Nicole, KeiAnnaNicole. YouTube is Kiana Nicole as well, and also the website Kiana Nicole.
And so, do you have any type of new music that you're releasing?
Yes, ma'am, most definitely. I'll be releasing my debut single on the 12th, which is going to be Friday. It's going to be Love is in the Air, so definitely stay tuned for that. And I'll also be releasing my EP at the end of next month, so definitely stay tuned for that.
All right, awesome. You guys stay tuned. Definitely follow Kiana Nicole. All right?